Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Conga 990. Start by turning off the device and unplugging it from any power source. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Conga 990. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel with the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. Use the soft cloth to clean the internal parts, ensuring that everything is free from obstructions. This step is crucial for maintaining the performance of your device. Now locate the battery compartment. Disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connectors. If you have a multimeter, you can test the old battery to confirm it is indeed faulty. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have it serviced without any hassle. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it to the same connectors. Ensure that the connections are secure and that the battery is properly seated in its compartment. Next, we will address the brush motor. Inspect the motor for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it may require repair or replacement. To access the motor, you may need to remove additional screws or components, so keep your Phillips screwdriver handy. After accessing the brush motor, check the brushes for wear. If they are worn down, replace them with new ones. This is a straightforward process. Simply pull out the old brushes and insert the new ones. If you need assistance, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once you have completed the battery replacement and brush motor repair, carefully reassemble the back panel of the Conga 990. Align it properly and press down gently to secure it in place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Finally, plug in your device and turn it on to test the new battery and repaired motor. If everything is functioning correctly, you have successfully completed the repair. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device serviced right at home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.